Congratulations, you made it happen. ShopEngine has become the leading Elementor WooCommerce builder with 100,000 stores actively using the plugin. And this is 100% because of you. From solo entrepreneurs to global brands, every single one of you played a part in getting us here. Some of you built your first WooCommerce store with it, some scaled stores that were already making money. Some struggled initially and reached out to tell us, which, by the way, helped us improve way more than you think. That's what got us here. So, as a small way of giving back, we are offering an exclusive 40% discount on ShopEngine Pro just for our community. If you have been thinking about upgrading your store design, reinventing the shopping experience, or adding new features that actually convert, now is the perfect time to upgrade. We are proud of what we have built together and even more excited about where we are going next. We're doubling down on performance, flexibility, and features that truly solve problems. Thanks for being part of this. Let's build something even better together.